How's it going today, guys? Today we are taking a look at my 2003 Volkswagen Jetta. I'm not sure how I'm going to put the camera here. I only got my tripod today. It is a blistering 30 degrees Fahrenheit, -1 degrees Celsius for you folks that deal in metric stuff. It is actually New Year's Day, and I have a bit of a cold still. Mostly just sinus drainage. I don't know why. It's been going on for several weeks. A lot of orange juice and vitamins been taken, but nothing seems to help too much. So if I got a cough, I apologize that ahead of time, or I'll just cut them out, depending on how it goes. So I got a multitude of problems on this Volkswagen that have kind of crept up on me, and a unhealthy time for me, or a not very nice time, as I'm going through some life changes at the moment. But today we're going to take a look at replacing my windshield washer nozzles. If you've never done that, well, we're going to be doing this together. I have the heated kind on my Volkswagen, and I've tried gluing them back in, but ever since I bought it, they have just been hanging out, as you can see. Hopefully you can see. Let me double check here. Yes, both of mine have just been chilling. So it doesn't really spray very well, as it just hits the windshield. If I'm driving at a good speed, it'll the mist will rise up and it'll become useful. But I figured it'd be kind of nice to actually have some windshield washer sprayers for once. So I bought some off of Eurotuned, and these are the ones I'm using. They were fairly reasonably priced. So let's dive into this. So first thing I'm going to do is unplug it from the actual setup there. And if you're curious, it's the bigger end you want to pull on down here. Should just pop right out. I'll weave that out. Next step, easy step, will be to just kind of want to confirm that these are about the same thing. They look to be. My problem is my clip here has broken off. They look to be the same, short of the heating element on mine. So I'll go ahead and plug it in real quick. Looks to go on pretty good. And any luck, this should push in and clip in on the front side there. Maybe. Now on this side, it's a similar thing, but I'm going to have to pop off the one cover I do actually have. Pop that guy off. Let's take a little screwdriver and nicely do it. Don't get too wild. I'm going to pull this wiring harness back out. Give it a tug. This side I will just replace back up in there. This other side I will gently pull that out. And here we go. Now you can see what broke on my, let's flip them around the right way here. Now you can see, here we go. Now you can see what actually broke on mine was this clip here, the front forward portion. And it just kind of has a tension. The tension you push in from the rear here, which pushes this in, and then it kind of clips up here, and then the tension holds it. So plug this one in, and hopefully we'll have a pretty good working windshield washer sprayer. Now I don't think these heated ones work, because last time I used it this last winter, it kind of just froze up on the windshield fairly quickly. So I don't think these actually work on my car anymore, but nonetheless the sprayers do work. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll know that all my older cars, this is the only vehicle I have that actually has working washer sprayer. So I'm kind of happy about having that for once in life. So I will push it back until it gets past that clip point, and then it'll just reset back up in there. And then I'll put this on. And, give it a little love tap. of tap and she'll reseat. So let's check them out. Now I have been using this -30 de-icer. I'm going to put some more in as I'm kind of low, and we'll give it a spray. Now I do have a pretty good clean windshield, but I am just kind of curious. Well, that works a lot better than what I had. It had been kind of just spraying way at the bottom. So I say that's a pretty good success.